Trouble in town because they cut my brother down, because my sister can't wear her crown. There's trouble in town. Blood on the beat, oh my goodness, there's blood on the beat. Law at the jungle or the law of the street. There's blood on the beat. And I get no shelter, and I get no peace, and I never get trouble in town because they hung my brother Brown, because their system just keep you down. There's trouble in town. And I get no shelter, and I get no peace, and I just get more police. And I get no comfort, and I get no name. Everything is getting strange.
That's Prince.
What's that?
What's his name?
Axel?
Stand by, sir.
Alright.
Is that X your middle name?
Cool, that's a motor vehicle ID, right?
You getting smart? Cause you'll be in the fucking car with him. You fucking smart ass. I'm asking you, what the X is? Is that your middle name?
Of course, what is it?
Don't come back with the what is it fucking shit. Talk to these fucking kids on the street that way. You ain't talking to me